Hello everyone, it is your good friend Jack here, and I'm back again for another Wax Weekly video, giving you the rundown on what's happened on the Wax blockchain over the last 7 days. As always, these videos are sponsored by Wax School and EOS Dublin, so we'd like to give a big shout out to the guys at EOS Dublin for supporting us. Today is the 11th of August 2023, and it is a Friday, so happy Friday everybody. And if we flick on atomichub.io as usual, starting with what is the most popular in the last 7 days, we can see here that no surprise, Alien Worlds is at the top, with Dungeon Masters just below that. I believe Dungeon Masters are having an AMA, or Wombat is having an AMA on Monday, worth checking out. And then our usual friend Funko, Stranger Things, Adventure Time, Batman, and It. So usual culprits up there as well. We head on over to Explore and we check out their drop calendar. There's probably not an awful lot of drops on it. Probably Skate Coin, maybe a few of the usual culprits as well, like Nova Pangea, NFT Kicks or Nifty Kicks. Tales of the Crypto probably doing something on Sunday there. But let's have a look. If I can get it to load here. Right, so as you can see, nothing is coming up. Skatecoin had a drop there yesterday. So the collaboration, dropping one of their decks. But what I do know is this week, Nova Pangea, they have their creature packs out. The artwork for them looks phenomenal. I'm pretty sure they can be used within the game. Also, if you get set up to play the game, you'll get a free unskilled worker. That's when you create an account. So go ahead and create your account. The website is novapangea.io, and the game.novapangea.io will get you to the game. As you can see, I'm logged in here now and I'm just having a quick look around. Looks pretty cool, but obviously with these games, they take some getting used to. So I'll come back to that one at a later date with a full playthrough, hopefully, and maybe we can speak to some of the team. Another hot mention this week is NFT Battle Miners. They have their Shadow Depths, which is their first season, and they have up to $10,000 in prizes. As always, nftbattleminers.com will get you to the website, and I'm going to hazard a guess. It could be game, some form of subdomain. Game.nftbattleminers.com is where you'll get the actual game itself. I haven't logged into this one to get playing, but I will. Gives you a full run through on how to play here, which looks pretty slick. I'm going to pick up some NFTs for that as well. So like I said earlier in the video, Wombat are doing an AMA on Monday. I've just jumped back in to have a go at Dungeon Masters again. My Wombat is equipped and I'm going to send him in. So he's just back. Cut a Wombat and put Secret Ward into Treasure. Why not? And then we're going to send the Wombat into Dungeon again. So get signed in, dungeon.wombat.app, get signed in, get some NFTs, hide some NFTs, claim some of the rewards. It's a pretty fun game and easy to get the hang of as well. And last but not least, we have been playing Cryptia, which is a taco game. And to celebrate it being Friday and probably one of the quietest weeks, in my opinion, we've had on Wax. I would like to hear if there's anything that I've missed, so do give me a shout out in the comments below. But to celebrate, we have a pack to give away. So anybody who's watched this video, throw your Waxcloud wallet into the address or into the comments below. Going to see who the true fans here and who actually watch these videos start to finish. So there's a good chance there'll only be a few people who will definitely put their Waxcloud wallet in below, but throw your Waxcloud wallet in below. And what we'll do is we will select a winner on Monday or Tuesday to get the Cryptia Gears pack. It is one of their seasonal packs, season 3. You'll get one piece of gear. You'll be able to equip it in the Cryptia game and play it, which is actually pretty cool. Make sure to play that one, play.acryptia.io. Like I said, that is a taco game, so check that out as well. That's it from me this week. I'll be back again early next week on the Twitter with blogs and funny tweets, hopefully. So until then, signing off. Have a good weekend, everyone. It's your good friend Jack here. Wax on.